As an artist, have you ever gotten negative comments on social media? If so, how do you handle those? Let's take that topic into consideration today. Let's dive right in. As always, all of the products are listed in the description below. Please don't forget to hit like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications. And let's jump right into this topic. So recently I've gotten a couple of negative feedback comments from people on social media, and I'm just wondering, as an artist, how do you handle those? Do you take the time to respond? Do you remove the comment? Do you block the person depending on what the comment is? I'm just curious, how do you handle it? In today's society, with everyone with a phone and an opinion, it makes it really easy for a person to lend a negative bit of feedback. I personally don't mind a little bit of constructive criticism, but it's when it gets personal, that's when I kind of have to take action. Everybody responds in their own different creative ways. Some ways are more productive than others. I personally don't like to argue with people in the comments. I do appreciate that people will take time to give feedback, and that's great. But when you make it personal, that's when I kind of take offense to it. Not necessarily offense, but maybe rather I would rather not publicize certain things when it becomes personal and not about the business. As a business owner, I do my best and take pride in making sure that we provide our customers with the very best products. With that being said, I definitely can take it to heart at times. So what I try to do is hit like on their comment, go back and respond to them and tell them thank you, I appreciate your feedback and support, and leave it at that. I do not go back and forth with people in the comments unless it's constructive and positive. I do not report an individual unless they really go over the line. You're gonna have to use your best judgment on that. There are people will comment on the subject that you paint or how you painted it, or the colors are off, or the eye is not in the right place. People have they have an active imagination on things that they can comment while on social media. So try to take every comment with a grain of salt. Definitely, I appreciate when people comment on my videos. It gives me an opportunity to engage with each person and get to know each person on their journey, whether they're an artist or they're just a fan. I definitely try to go in and comment on other people's posts and videos and artwork. That's always important to me, to engage with the other artists and the other consumers as well. If you're getting any kind of value out of this, definitely hit that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Take a moment and leave in the comments, how do you handle those negative comments? What do you do as a process? Do you have a normal response that you just send out to people? What do you do? Do you block them? Do you report them to that social media provider? What do you do? I haven't had the pleasure of anyone going that far overboard with the comments. The occasional negative feedback I understand, and I can respect everybody having their own opinion, but I haven't had anybody go too far overboard, so I hope to keep it that way. But definitely I would be curious to hear how others have handled that type of situation where a person has made a comment on a post or a piece of artwork or a video that wasn't to your liking, or went too far personally and made you feel a certain kind of way. I'd be curious to hear how you handled that. As always, this video was brought to you by MARSHALLARTISTRY.com. This is where you can find our custom artwork, our canvas paintings. You can find custom Hydrosport bottles there. You can also find custom skate decks. We are now opening up our commissions for June and July. So if you have something you're interested in us painting, definitely reach out to us at the contact us page at www.marshallartistry.com. As always, I appreciate you joining us. Do the right thing out there and reply to comments in a productive manner. Ring that bell for notifications. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you soon.